another is based on the OpenCV. Okay, so the other project you are going to do on the OpenCV is color transfer. Okay, so if you have any doubts in the churn modeling, so you can ask me now. So otherwise we should move on to the OpenCV project. So don't worry, the dataset and the code will be uploaded to the classroom. You can get that dataset and you can work on that dataset itself. So you can use any other metrics also to evaluate the performance of the model, and you can use any algorithm, any other algorithm like key nearest neighbor algorithm, random forest algorithm, or support vector machine, logistic regression. So such kind of algorithms you can use to predict the result, and check out for the accuracy of the different algorithms, and which model will give you more accuracy, go for that. Okay, so once you're finished with this, so let us move on to the next project, which is based on the OpenCV computer vision. Okay, so open source computer vision. Okay, so in this project you are going to transfer the color shades by color shades of a one image, source image, to the target. Okay, so like if you are going to excuse me, if we have the red background shades in the one image and blue in the second image, blue background shades, blue shades of image in the other second image, then you want that blue shades to be red. Okay, all should be in the red. Okay, so then you are going to convert the source, you're going to transfer that source color shades to the target. Okay, so likewise I just give you the, show you the sample here. Okay, so this is my source and this is my target. Okay, so this will be in the brown shades and this is in the blue shades. I want it to be in the brown shade itself, this to be in the brown shade. So this brown shade will be in the source. This color shade should be transferred. Color should be transferred to this, not the object, complete object. So I just want the color shades to be in this to be in this image. Okay, so the final result will be like this. Okay, I just take the standard deviation mean from this source image and just transfer this to the standard deviation and the mean of the colors of this image to this. Okay, just exchange it. I just changed this image's standard deviation and color mean of the colors by this image's standard deviation and average mean. Okay, so thereby you'll be able to get the result like this. Okay, so this will be changed by using the method CVT color, by changing the color space by using this color code. Okay, BGR2 lab. So we have about 30 codes to change the color. We have about different color codes to change the image from one color space to another color space. Okay, so for that in that advantage I'm taking here to change the color space of one image to other. Okay, I'm just considering the average and standard deviation. I'm just converting one image's color space and just transferring one image's color space to other. Okay, here what I'm doing it here. Okay, I'm just considering the mean and standard deviation. I'm going to convert it. I'm going to transfer that using the CVT color method itself. Okay, I'm just doing some mathematical calculations here. So after doing these calculations, I'll able to get the final result, which is changed color space. Okay, So this is what we are doing in the color transfer project.